Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam once again in front of you. Hope that all of you are doing great. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear friends, and now I'm walking on the road like national highway. So I will go to another place like a city. So that is why I'm walking on the road because I will go bus stop and near this location like 1 kilometer distance in bus stop and I'm going to bus stop. Okay, and with my two friends and my two friends are also going to bus stop and I am making on vlog video. Okay, so when I go to any kind of situation, I make English blog video. And today actually it's the public place. Today my first blog in public place in English blog video, and my maximum video I make in village area and my not village and paddy field our maximum video, but today I make in public place in English blog video, and as well as I'm practicing in English. Okay, so as you can see in our behind side, so many buildings are very nice place, and another side is the flyover. Okay, so this place, this road actually very busy place and non-stop bus and cars and bikes, so many cars up and down. It's a very busy place. Okay, so my back camera open, you can see, wow, this place actually very amazing. Okay, so it's the flower and like a 4-lane road. So you can see, and this is the like beside the road is, I think it's slab and drain, and over there the so many trees. Okay, so my English actually not good, but I can try my best in English, and when I go to any kind of situation I make video because I love to do English. So that is why I am making video any kind of situation. Okay, so as you can see, wow, this is the very amazing place. Okay, I take, actually I have bought on mineral water, and this water actually 75 ml, and it's 10 rupees, Indian rupees, 10 rupees. I bought mineral water. It is normal water but not freezing water. Okay, so dear friends, as we can see, some banana trees are